Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Clark, and I'm going to show you how to do 594 divided by 9. If you have this slideshow, you can just click on the boxes and type, and if you don't, you can still follow along with a whiteboard or a piece of paper as we do this division problem. 594 is our dividend. It's the biggest number. It's getting divided up. So say you have 594 candies and you're putting them into 9 groups. 9 is the divisor. And our quotient is the answer that we don't know. And multiplication and division are related. So 594 divided by 9 equals this number. And if you multiply them back together at the end, you'll get this number. I'm going to be using the standard algorithm. So divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and it's color-coded purple, red, green, blue. So we're going to divide first. So normally you'd start with this digit here at the left and you do 5 divided by 9, or how many 9s fit into 5. But 5 is smaller than 9, so you can't do it. So we're really going to do 59 divided by 9. So we're saying how many 9s fit into 59. Well, a good way to do this is to skip count your 9s, and you can even draw a text box and type it out if you want. What we're trying to figure out is how many 9s you can do before you get to 59 without going over. Once you go over, you've gone too far. So how many 9s can you get into 59 before you go over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 9 can fit into 59 6 times. We're going to multiply it back down because 6 times 9 doesn't really get you to 59. It gets you close. So 54. Now, we want to figure out what's left over because we still need to use that. So we're going to do 59 minus 54. That's our green, our subtract. And we get 5. Next step is to bring down, which means we're going to be bringing in this last digit here, which is our 4. Then you go back up to the top and divide again. So how many 9s fit into 54? And you can look at your skip counts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 9 can fit into 54. Next, you multiply it back. 6 times 9 is 54. You subtract at the end to make sure there's no remainder, which means that if you did divide 594 candies into 9 groups, there wouldn't be any left over that didn't fit. You'd have exactly 66 in every group. Since our quotient is 66, that means you can do 9 times 66 and it will equal 594. So that's a great way to check your division.